See the now nation people. Start you know, you know. Watch this. Said them a war fool and war clown. See they know them, this in them own a blood them John. We not busy signal, but we will make the thing them sound. 15 them get out of the 14 were brown. Me bumbo clot. Unruly Putney answer. Yes, yes, yes. Sure is. Yeah, Jahshii. You know an unruly birth here. So we know you're a war animal. Because an unruly clash birth here. So at this everybody that wait for a long time. You see what I say? Yeah. This is where people been waiting for a long time. Jahshii, this silkboss and this intent. The man say him rifle tall like silkboss, but it no worthless like him. Me bumper ass cloth nation people. Make me drop necessary equipment first. Watch this. At the world, it's not a plan. You no better watch what go on, you know. Carefully, you know, out here, you know. Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already when I come for represent. Yo, a full effective. You don't know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Hey, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people, the internet are go festive right you know. Jahshii clap back. Eh? Bumper ass clot. The man empty a clip over silkboss place and the man tear off the whole of intense face. The man say him never see my road yet. Be hide him in him house. Bumper ass clot. No nation people. Tell me if the internet not festive right now. Yes, Jahshii, unruly youth. Me know you unruly from long time. You see what I say? Me no know what them that tell you, you know. What them that try to tell you, you know. For make you, for dim light for your career car. Who that tell you say never for answer silkboss or living fuck with them I tell you. Because you see the girl song where you drop what here, Jahshii. You see say no views no run on it, right? Watch the blood clot this song, yeah. Look on the views on that this song, yeah. Just wait till an hour or two. You go see the catastrophe. Me bumbo clot, Jahshii. Silkboss, no. Silkboss. I hope you're ready now, you know. I hope you're ready now. Because big guns now hold long right now, you know. Big guns kick off right now, you know. You hear me I say? Yeah, no joke shit no there. Big guns open up right about now. So, right now, you see if I'm Jahshii answer, no running thing can go on now. At this we talk about when you're a man answer now. When a man drop at this song, you know, and a man answer, you know, I start the blood clot party start, you know. Yo, start the party like ignition and no gimmicks blood clot thing, you know. Yeah. Yes. Sure is. War is in the air. Bumper ass clot. Me nah have to tell you know. About the hungry blood clot vlogger them and the jockstrap sniffers them, you know. When they run out and spread out on this, you know. Because at this is where them people them are wait upon, you know. Bumper ass clot. That means by any time soon we shall hear from Ras Clot the 10-pack of matches, machine gun massacre. We should hear from him soon when the 10-pack of matches strike. No gimmicks blood clotting no in it. Silkboss, me bumper Ras Clot. It start you know, Silkboss. So all the hype, you know, where that go on, you know. Because Silkboss, you know, drop to this song, you know. See the blood clot, the real thing, yeah. See the real deal. See the real deal, yeah? Bumbo rascal. No withdraw can go on right now. So, silkboss, Jahshii, you know, answer everything where you drop in a song about him, you know, my brother. Right now, you know, silkboss, it look like you have to go approach him with caution, you know. Him and dangerous, you know. No gimmicks thing that they about it, you know. You know, hear the lyrics, them where I kick out. Me bumbo clad, silkboss, watch your face, you know, my brother. You see what I say? Cause bullet a fly all over, you know. The man say, rifle tall like you, but it no worthless like you know, my brother. Me bumbo rascal. You know, like when you have some worthless cutlass, with dull no blood clot, no cure you try chop the jelly, it can't move it. Me bumbo rascal, Jahshii. Me know you're unruly, because an unruly clash burst you. You know what I mean? And this is what the people that look out from you. You see what I say? Yes, yes, yes. Better late than never. Yes, yes, yes. Sure is. Silkboss. Me bumbo clot. You have to go load up all machine gun right now. Junglist. Rise up on a gun and cutlass. Bumbo clot a war time. War season. The war kick off. Right now the war kick off. No lollipop thing not dead about it. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. And nobody can stop it right now. Bloggers, we don't have a field there. Because see it here at the beginning this. Because right now, look from now, we shall hear from machine gun blood clot massacre. You see what I say? We don't get all I wanted. Yeah, this I want. War. See it here? Take war. War no want. Take blood clot war. See war you know? Me bumbo rascal. Yo, this shit look excited, my brother. This shit look real wicked and all me take thing. Right now the man them are ask war, it look like them will get war in abundance now. Because the whole I need to run up on the mouth, all including myself. Cause me never know a rascal Jahshii da answer. Because Jahshii da skip and a dolly. You see what I say? And go drop girl song, the people them no look upon it a blood clot. Because of war them want. So Jahshii, Joshua, give them what them want. Them want the machine gun for fire. Bumbo rascal. Yo, the thing nice right about now. YouTube are got nice right about now. What am I say? YouTube are got nice right about now. Junglist rise up, gun and bomb and cutlass. No gimmicks bumbo clot thing that about it. Because right now, YouTube get festive. No gimmicks thing that about it. And people are talking about man and run. People are talking about white flag dasher. Or something different. You not forgot bumbo clot talk about right about now. Bad man not take this car, we gun them load up. With empty gun we no pose up. Magazine long and bend. Rifle a spit fire like the dragon them. Jungle is not take this car, we gun them load up. With empty clip we no pose up. Magazine long and bend. Rifle a spit fire like the dragon. If you see me with the Tech 9 with hammer fly backer, kick boy head like Messi kick soccer. See me with the 16. Clip full up of 5.56. Them sing like extra chick. AK clip full of 7.62. What my boys call all him top blood a drip through. Pump rifle cartridge and all intender pebbles burn. I was able flesh like jungle is them not take this we gun them load up. With empty gun we no pose up. Magazine long and bend. Rifle a spit fire like the dragon them. Jungle is we not take this we gun them load up. With empty clip we no pose up. Magazine long and bend. Rifle a spit fire like the. Some boy a picture of empty gun a pose a road. Shot drive through him skull like the car. Them a do overroad him down in a blood 10 start throw him overboard. Gun we bust 36. Shot out him inside neck. Marrow like wave on the seaside barrel. Swing like fan blade. Head bust like lampshade. When we squeeze left and more 4-5. We not take this car we go. What? Nation people. The war is here you know. We don't have nothing more to say. We're gone. Next review. Watch.